This is the Pine Marten. Last year he did backflips for me and Steve.
There's two.
There's two of them? Ah!
He's being sneaky.
Stop focusing on the fence, camera. Past the fence. Stupid camera. There we go. They are Newfoundland ferrets. His buddy is up there in the background. Aww. Where'd he go? Oh, here he is. Hey, bud.
I think that one's afraid of the other one.
Nope. Hi. Oh my god, please do a backflip. Oh my god, please do a backflip. Ever since I have seen one of these guys do a backflip, I will constantly expect them to perform. And perform adorably.
Oh.
Hi guys. They are so cute. Oh my god. Here we go. Oop. They're like endangered abbeys.